Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're at the Huck's World, and today is Friday, people. It's chill out day, it's relax day. I may have the house to myself, so we'll see what's going to happen in a few minutes. But let's get over with this. Now, if you've seen the title, we're going to be talking about whether you should upgrade from the Gears 2, the Gears 3, the Gears Sport, and if it's even worth the upgrade. Is it really worth the upgrade? All right, so first of all, let's talk about the event. Now, the presentation of this thing, the actual preview of the Galaxy Watch, in my opinion, was weak. I thought it was very basic. I thought it was very brief. I thought that we did not get enough information about this smartwatch to say, wow, yes, I got to get this, or nah. It's not really, no, it's not. They didn't give us anything. They didn't really show us the UX, the changes in the display, or anything. Now, I do know that it's going to have a 360 by 360, and it's the same as the Gears 3, right? Now, that's going to be for both smartwatches, the smaller version and the bigger version. Now, let's say you're coming from the Gears 2, right? Yes, I'm going to say upgrade. Upgrade is a must. First of all, you're going to have huge improvements. You're going to get a speaker on this thing, and you're going to get a bigger display and or a smaller display, depending on what you get, and you are going to get a better look with this smartwatch compared to the Gears 2. But what about the Gears Sport? Well, the Gears Sport just came out. I don't know if you want to get the Galaxy Watch, considering that you get the Gears Sport, not unless you just want a bigger version of a better smartwatch, because the design language of the the Galaxy Watch and or the smaller version of the Galaxy Watch looks better than the Gears 2 to me, in my opinion, both the regular and the Gear Classic. Now let's talk about the Gears 3. Now, if you got the Gears 3 and there's nothing wrong with it, you're not having battery issues like I'm having or most other people are having, then you might want to keep it. I'm with you. Most of the people that hit me in the comment section down below on a couple of the videos that I sent out, most of them are saying that they can't justify why they should upgrade, especially if there's nothing wrong with the smartwatch. And on top of it, there's no real spec bump in the Galaxy Watch. At least they didn't show anything. Now I have to wait till I get the review unit in order to find out if there's anything different, if there's a different look in the UX. But so far as what I saw, there's no real spec bump. I really didn't see anything. Now, let's talk about my gripe. Now, that's one of them, right? Now, my real big gripe is that on the smaller version, you get two variants of it, right? You got a rose gold and you got what they call in the midnight black. But with the 46 millimeter, you only get one. I don't understand that, right? You get a two-tone at that. So I've heard it called the Frontier 2.0, right? And I could see that. And I said it in my last video that they blended the Classic and the Frontier together, and that's how they came up with this smartwatch. It didn't take them long sitting down at the round table trying to figure this one out, right? But why couldn't we get two versions of this? I don't understand that. Now, what Samsung does is that they'll leapfrog forward, then they'll leapfrog backwards, right? What do I mean? First, they had a speaker on the smartwatch. Then they came with the Gears 2 and they didn't put a speaker on there. Then they eventually later on put a speaker on there. And then we go to the Gears 3 and they only make a bigger version, but they don't make a smaller version for people with smaller wrists or for the ladies. They don't consider the women, right? This time we get two variants of the smaller version, right? And we only get one of the bigger. That don't make any sense. I was looking for the silver. They could have gave us silver and black and then did the two-tone, which would give us an option if we wanted to try something different, right? Now, that's my biggest gripe. Now, a lot of people are talking about the magnetic strip technology. Now that it's gone, most of them are going to stay with what they have because a lot of the people love the Samsung Pay. Me personally, I don't use the Samsung Pay. It's inconvenience for me, but there's many of people, and I didn't know there was that many people out there that really love the Samsung Pay. You know, it's very popular. Now, Samsung, I'm thinking, in my opinion, I think they should have left it on there. Now, they went with this this water resistant, this 5 ATM water resistant, which will allow you to go swimming in it. There's a lot of us that don't go swimming. Like me, I'm really not into sports. I'm not into exercising like that. I'm a gadget guy. You know, I want more features and functions that's going to make life a little bit more convenient. But I do understand the exercising part. It's what the world is being molded into now, right? Makes sense. So I go with it. I love counting my steps. I love seeing where, you know, my heart rate is sometimes. I love seeing my calories being burned. So I'm not against it. And yeah, we are getting about 40 more different workout functions with this thing, but it still doesn't say, well, what about the features? Are there anything, is it anything different? You know, is it a real spec bump? And it's not. You know, now I've heard from Jabbertech says that they should have went with the ceramic, and yeah, they should have. But I'm thinking that would have took the price of the watch up a little bit more, and most people probably wouldn't have bought it at being close to 400. But yeah, we do need something doable, and most people, a lot of gadget people, tech people like myself, will buy it. Now, as for me, am I buying it? Yes, I'm buying it. I'm buying it for review purposes. I'm buying it because my Gear S3 isn't working the way that it should, and I'm looking forward to the battery life. Now, the battery life is going to give us 5 to 7 days. I'm with that. Sometimes I would like to leave my watch just laying around and not worry about battery life, because mine is depleting before I get off work. So I don't know what's going on with the Gear S3, but other people are not having this problem. You know, some other fun things that I like, well, not fun things, things that I would like to have on this watch I'm getting, like the speaker. I love the speaker. I listen to my music. I love to answer phone calls on the run. So that's convenient for me. And it is water resistant, right? So I'm good with that too as well. So I don't have many gripes, but I do have gripes. But maybe this two-tone smartwatch will grow on me. You know, I don't know yet. We'll find out. But I do like the button placement. I do like how that looks. It does have a more premium look. But I think Samsung could have did a little bit more with this Galaxy watch, right? But once I get the unit, we can dig a little bit deeper to find out if there's anything that they didn't show that would be worthy of saying, yes, we can go upgrade to this, or you should upgrade to this. So with that being said, that's it. But the question still is, at the end of the day, are you going to upgrade? And is it even worth the upgrade for what you saw thus far? Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know what you're going to do. Me, you already know where I stand. I'm going to upgrade. You know my reason why. But as for many others, I'm going to tell you, I understand and I feel you on it. I feel you, and I think Samsung could have did better with this Galaxy watch. All right, you all, the next one that's going to be coming up, we are going to talk about the Galaxy Note and see if that's worthy of an upgrade or not. All right, you all, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed chit-chatting with you out in the sun, and yeah, I look cool, right? I'm going to see you all at the next video. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out, and if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see you all again at the next one. Peace out.